Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3018. Remarks. Density altitude 1,800. Bowling Green, Warren County Regional Airport, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Automated weather observation 1359er Zulu. Wind variable at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 3018. Remarks. Density altitude 1,800.
We're on our descent into Bowling Green. Pick up a couple of passengers and take them over to the Norfolk area, Newport News, Virginia.
Jelly 2, clear direct to the Romeo or Romeo Mike Golf. November 700 Mike X-ray, on maintain 16,000. 16,000, 0 Mike X-ray. November 2180 Yankee, Net Center, Nashville, December 3019. Philly 2, contact Atlanta Center 133.17.
Warrior Memphis Center, Chronos 81, 1700, climbing 15,000.
Chronos 81, Memphis Center, climb maintain, flight level 230.
Flight level 230, Chronos 81.
About 20 miles east of the airport right now. Ought to pick it up a little
American
bit.
1104, flight level 230.
American 1104, Memphis Center. November 702 Delta Sierra, are you on a 132.9er?
Yes, sir, we are.
Roger. American 1104, descend maintain, flight level 190.
Level 190, American 1104. Warrior Memphis Center, FedEx 2715, 230.
FedEx 2715, Memphis Center, descend and maintain, flight level 190.
Stand flight level 190, we are assigned 290 Oscar Lester, FedEx 2715.
Roger. November 231 Delta Romeo, descend and maintain 3,000.
On to 3,000, 1 Delta Romeo.
Center, let's go, 3844, level 230.
Skywest 3844, Memphis Center, descend via the Paisley for arrival. Landing south, Nashville, altimeter 3019.
39
Contact Indy Center on 121.172117.
2117, hey, 07 pop.
American 1104, they indicated their speed.
300 knots, American 1104.
American 1104, roger, just maintain at 300 knots, ready for space.
300 ready for spacing, American 1104.
Medevac 90 Foxtrot Charlie, contact Atlanta Center on 133.6.
UPS 2773 and a 260 from 240.
The UPS 2773, Center, let's see, cross Endell at 10, 10,000. The Sandford altimeter is going to be 3017.
Cross Endell at 10,000, UPS 2773.
Chronos 81, clear exactly, Bravo Kilo Whiskey.
Direct Beckley, Chronos 81. This is Hawker 122 Lima Juliet, level 23.
November 122 Lima Juliet, Memphis Center. Descend via the Paisley 4 arrival, landing to the south. National altimeter 3019.
India Paisley, arrival to heading south.
November 231 Delta Romeo, Bowling Green Airport sector, 12 to 11 o'clock, 10 miles before the airport, south of the vision.
Yes, sir. We got the airport now. 1 Delta Romeo.
Air 231 Delta Romeo, roger. Clear visual approach, Bowling Green Airport. Report cancellation by farthest frequency. On ground flight service, change advisory free.
Okay, we'll go ahead and cancel with you. Anybody over there?
Air 231 Delta Romeo, just see one VFR target. He looks like he's about just maybe a mile or so northwest of the build after he takes 1,400.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out for him. Go ahead and cancel us out.
Air 231 Delta Romeo, roger. High for cancel speed, spot VFR, frequency free. Have a good day.
See ya.
Morning, Memphis 238 Kilo Delta 15,000.
November 238 Kilo Delta.
Bowling Green Mooney 231 Delta Romeo is about 8 miles to the east. Airport advisory, please.
Two 3-1 Delta Romeo, Bowling Green Unicom, starting to get the winds from the ASOS 127.82. Looks like winds are kind of favoring 2-1, pilot's discretion on runways, and I think you have a couple passengers here waiting for you.
Yes, sir, we do. We'll go ahead and use 2-1, and yeah, we got the winds showing line therapy.
And just plan on coming up here into the canopy. The ramp's pretty empty at this point.
Appreciate it. 1 Delta Romeo. We'll be entering left traffic runway 21 at Bowling Green. Pattern altitude be about 1,500 feet, 1,000 to go. Bowling Green, Mooney, 231 Delta Romeo, entering left downwind, runway 21, Bowling Green. Bowling Green, Mooney, 1 Delta Romeo, base and final, runway 21. One Delta Romeo is clear at 21 onto Alpha 2. One Delta Romeo is crossing 3021 on Alpha.
Just pull up here to the canopy.
Appreciate it. 1 Delta Romeo. That's pretty sweet. Shady place to park.